Hi, my sweet, sweet friends, and welcome back to another Artistic Vegan show. If you're new here, I'm Christa Clark, and I run the blog artisticvegan.com, and I'm reaching you from quarantine. I don't know where you're at. We are in about a little over week one, going into a couple weeks here that we've been in quarantine. We're on our compound, nice and locked in, and I'm in the outdoor kitchen right now. It's a beautifully sunny day. Let's get into today's recipe, which is a cauliflower cream sauce. And this is delicious. It is gonna be really simple. You can do this on your stove. I've already got some water coming to a boil. Ingredients you'll need are cauliflower, a little bit of onion, some garlic, some parsley. Of course, you can use some dried onion, garlic, and parsley if you wanted. Then some cashews, as well as some dairy-free milk of choice. And then you'll also want your pasta. So that's everything that you're gonna want. And you'll wanna start chopping your cauliflower. Now this is gonna be blended, so by all means, it does not have to be perfect. You want some dairy-free milk, so I have about 3 cups of that. In that goes 4 heaping cups of your cauliflower. Ooh, add it in. You'll also need some garlic, preferably a couple large cloves, but you know, use what you got. I hope you and your loved ones are safe and healthy and have food, and everyone's doing okay during this coronavirus and this weird quarantine time. It's kind of a difficult time, I know, for many during this time, so I hope everyone's doing okay, and this video can offer a little bit of inspiration and happiness during these hard times. Okay, now I'm literally gonna blend this all, so you could mince it if you want, but I'm just gonna throw it in there. So you want about 2 large cloves, or you could do 3 medium. In they go. Then you'll also just need a couple tablespoons of minced onion. You could use dry if you want, that's probably a little bit easier. Okay, here we go. In addition to that, you'll want a 1/2 cup of cashews. Now, normally I would say soak these, but since you're gonna be making your soup, just boil them. It'll be a lot easier, so take a 1/2 cup of cashews, and in they go. You're also gonna want about 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of salt. You also want about a 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper. So wasn't that easy? Now all you have to do is put this on your stove and bring it to a boil and cook it until the cauliflower's soft. Or you can put it in your Instapot for about 3 to 4 minutes and it'll be done. So that's what I'm gonna do, since that's nice and easy. And then you'll just blend it into oblivion until it makes this creamy, delicious sauce that we'll serve with our pasta and add our parsley to. The thing I've been doing lately is I'm saving all of my scraps, and before I put it in my compost, since we're in this kind of quarantine time, I am boiling it with water, or just filling my Instapot with water and all my scraps, and then I have homemade broth that's filled with nutrition. So anything you can do right now to save things or to repurpose them, probably a good idea. Mince your parsley and set that aside, and we'll add that at the end. So that's it. I'm gonna get my pasta on, get my sauce on, and then we'll combine it and dig in. Can't wait. I know my husband can't wait. So our noodles are done and drained. You can opt to add a little oil and salt, or you can pass. It just helps prevent sticking if you're not quite there yet. And here is our delicious sauce. Holy moly, it looks so beautiful and smooth. And you just pour that over your pasta. Tastes wonderful, and it feels like you get an indulgent cream sauce, but without the guilt, because it's made from cauliflower and whole food ingredients. I hope you love this plant-based recipe and you enjoyed spending time with me today. You can get this recipe over at artisticvegan.com, and until next time, I'll see you then. Bye. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Join my premium family as a backup plan to ensure content availability as well as continued funding for future content for only $10 a month. Your contribution enables the channel to stay alive. Thanks for being a part of our beautiful community and soul family. Namaste.